In this video, we're going to be talking about Litecoin and argue if it's too late or too early to get into it after its massive rally. Is it going to drop soon, or is it going to continue rallying up and break its previous all-time high in 2018? Continue watching the video so you can fully understand why Litecoin is a big part of my portfolio. Now, the first news we're going to be talking about is ETC Group to launch Litecoin ETC on Deutsche Börse. I don't know if I'm pronouncing this right. So what is Deutsche Börse? Basically, it's a capital market company with a revenue of 2.9 billion, almost 3 billion in 2019. So basically, it says here that the ETC Group Litecoin ETC or ELTC is set to list on the Deutsche Börse on April 14th, becoming the first Litecoin ETP to list on the German exchange. ELTC will track the price of Litecoin and enable investors to back crypto with the added security of central counterparty clearance. And again, CoinShares launches Litecoin ETP. So it says here that asset manager CoinShares has launched a new physically backed Litecoin exchange traded product on the Swiss SIX exchange. So if we take a look on the SIX Swiss exchange, it has a market cap of $1.6 trillion. So as we can see here, Litecoin is starting to get its spotlight on the real world. As we've seen before, they were only interested in listing Bitcoin and hedge funds getting into Bitcoin. But now they're looking at the alternatives, which is Litecoin. Some people are saying that Bitcoin is the digital gold. Well, for me, Litecoin is the digital silver. And it also here, PayPal launches checkout with crypto. So PayPal customers with cryptocurrency holdings in the US will be able to choose checkout with crypto seamlessly within PayPal at checkout. And you might be wondering, so why is this a big news for Litecoin? Well, I'll tell you why. If you want to send someone Bitcoin, let's say you want to send your friend some Bitcoin, on average transaction fee that you're going to pay is about $20 to $25. But not a lot of people want to pay that amount of transaction fees. So they will choose Litecoin at the checkout, which costs less than 50 cents to send a transaction. So more people will be using Litecoin instead of Bitcoin when they want to buy something using PayPal crypto. So right now we're going to be taking a look at my trading strategy for Litecoin and what I think has been happening. In my previous video, which was more than a month ago, because I haven't been making videos for almost more than a month actually. I've just been busy. But basically, on my previous video, I was bullish on Litecoin. You can go to my channel and look at my previous Litecoin video, and I made my video at about $160, basically saying that we need to break this previous all-time high back in 2018, January 2018, or the end of 2017. And we haven't broken that previous all-time high. We haven't. All other major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Coin, and other coins out there, they've broken out of their previous all-time highs, but Bitcoin is still under its previous all-time high, which is very concerning to me, because this basically means that one, it might be manipulated. Who knows? There's a lot of manipulation going on, and I'm gonna show you my trading strategy and why I'm still bullish on Litecoin. So as we can see here, this is the 100-day moving average. And as we've seen that the 100-day moving average is the support of Litecoin. As we can see here on the previous drop, it was the support, and right here as well. So basically, it's been the major support for Litecoin if it's bullish or not. And we can also see it here back in 2019. The 100-day moving average was the support. The moment it fell on the 100-day moving average, we've seen a bearish market right here. So as long as we are above the 100-day moving average, I'm still bullish on Litecoin. I still haven't sold any of my Litecoin. I bought them around $100 and below it, and I'm still buying right now because I believe that it will break its previous all-time high and it will go further than that. And here I've highlighted some patterns that I've seen. That's what's been happening and why Litecoin is following Ethereum. As we can see here, when it pumped almost 100%, okay, it went 100% and it went down for about 36%. But after that, it went back 100% again and again around 30%, and it went back up 40%, which is not a lot. But as we have seen here, again, 100% right here, 100% right here, and it went back down 30%. So right now, as we can see that it has been bullish for Litecoin. Basically, this is normal for Litecoin. Everything that goes up must come down. As we can see, Litecoin has been following Ethereum's path. So for example, right here, I'm going to show you why Litecoin has been following Ethereum's path. So basically right here on about February 18 and 17 of 2021, basically Ethereum pumped, right? And it did follow that right here. And when it dropped, when Ethereum dropped, okay, it dropped as well. And right now Ethereum is above $3,000, which is unbelievable. So any Ethereum fans out there, congrats to you. And this is the first time we've seen Ethereum going past $3,000. And right now we still haven't seen a major pump. We still haven't seen, it's only been 37%. But if it does go up for 100%, like the previous ones we've seen right here and here, we can see that it will break its previous all-time high if we get 100% pump, which I'm looking forward to. But I don't think it's going to stop there. I think once we break this previous all-time high in 2018, right here, we are just gonna explode, in my honest opinion, because that's what's happened to Ethereum when it broke its previous all-time high right here in 2018. When it broke its previous all-time high right here, it just exploded. It just exploded. And I think that's what's going to happen with Litecoin as well. So if you enjoyed the video, please like the video and also subscribe to my channel if you want more Litecoin videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.